Welcome students. Now we will take example. This is based upon traveling. See, sometimes we travel some long distance by two vehicles, three vehicles. No, like that. This is example. I'm reading. See, where the travels 600 kilometer to his home. How long? 600 kilometer. Partly by train and partly by car. Two vehicles, right? He takes 8 hours if he travels 120 kilometer by train and rest by car. In 8 hours, he travels 120 by train and remaining by car. Okay. Again, see next. He takes 20 minutes longer if he travels 200 kilometer by train and remaining by car. 20 minutes longer means 8 hour plus 20 minutes. Find the speed of the car, train and car. Total distance 600. Write down total distance 600. Okay. Now see, there are two cases. 8 hours 120 by train, remaining by car. So we'll take case 1. Distance travel by train 120. Distance travel by car remaining means 120. 600 minus 120, that is 480. Okay, we got the distance. This much distance that he has traveled by train and car in 8 hours. So they are asking to find speed. So let us assume speed of the train equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of the car is y kilometer per hour. Are you getting? Right? See, speed of train equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of car equal to y kilometer per hour. We take decided. And total distance, total journey is in total 8 hours. Now we will take these 8 hours as sum of the time taken to cover this much plus sum of the time taken to cover 480 kilometer. Okay, and you are knowing formula of time. Time equal to yes, distance upon speed. So see now, distance, time for 120 kilometer. 120 kilometer is of what? Train. So what is the speed of train? X. So 120 upon x. Right? And time for 480. Time for 480. Students, all of you. That is what 480 upon y. Okay? Right? Now this total time is equal to 8 hours. So we'll add both equal to 8 hours. Got it? Now see, here it is some 8, 480, 120, something is common. We can divide both sides by 8. So divide both sides by 8. We're getting 15 upon x plus 60 upon y equal to 1. Number 1. So we got one equation. Right? Now see, this example is of the type 1 upon x and 1 upon y. We are knowing reducible for yes or no. Now case 2. What is case 2? He takes 20 minutes longer. It 8 hours plus 20 minutes. So first we have to find total time in taken 8 hours plus 20 minutes. And 200 by train, remaining by 200 by train, the remaining how much it is? 400. So we are writing, see, distance by train 200, therefore distance by car equal to 400. Okay, remember it, distance by car equal to 400. Now time taken 8 hour plus 20 minutes. Now important is here, see, all of you students, 8 hour plus 20 minutes means they are in different units. So we have to make either both in hours or both in minutes. So we will convert both in hours. Now if I want to convert 20 minutes into hours, so you know, I will divide that by 60. So see that 8 plus 20 upon 60. So 0 cancel, 1 upon 3. I got 8 plus 1 upon 3. And I'll take LCM now. See 1, 3. 8, 24 plus 1, 25 upon 3. Time taken in second case is 25 upon 3. Clear? Now, in the same way, we will take now time for 200 kilometer and time for 400 kilometer. Speed of the train is x. So, time for 200 kilometers is how much? 200 upon x. Time for 400 kilometers is how much? 400 upon y. And if we add both, equal to 25 upon 3. Okay, the same thing we will do here. See, children, all of you, please try to understand, listen properly, you understand. See, time for 200 upon x, time for 400 upon y. Now, if we add both, equal to 25 upon 3. Yes or no? Now see again 200, 400, 25. So 25 is common on both sides. So I'm dividing both sides by 25. 25 8s are 200, 25 16s are 400, and 25 ones 25. So I got 8 upon x plus 16 upon y plus 1 upon 3. Right? This second equation. Now we both the equation 1 and 2 will write in terms of general form. That is okay. So now let us assume 1 upon x equal to u, 1 upon y equal to v. Now we'll write both equations. Therefore we got now first equation 15u plus 60v equal to 1. 8u plus 16v equal to 1 upon 3. Got it? Now see here, this is 1 upon 3. I will take cross multiplication. 3 8 that 24u plus 48 v equal to 1. See, cross multiplication I'm taking 3 8 that 24u plus 648 v equal to 1. So I got these two equations. Now I will solve both equations using cross product. So you know in cross product, first step is what beta? Write all terms on LHS. So we will write all terms on LHS. See, that is what 15u plus 60v minus 1 equal to 0. Then 24u plus 48v minus 1 equal to 0. Yes or no? You got this? Now see, we got this all terms on this side. Now we will write column of u. Column of u 15 24. Column of minus v 60 48. Column of 1 minus 1 minus 1. See, we got it columns. Okay, now we will write u upon we will hide this column now. 60 into minus 1 minus 60. Minus sign, minus 48 into minus 1 minus 48. Minus plus 48 equal to minus v upon v column 15 into minus 1 minus 15. Minus sign 24 into minus 1 minus 24. Minus plus 24 equal to 1 upon column of 1 is hidden. Now see 15 multiplied by 48 720. Okay, see 15 multiplied 48 720. If we cannot do the rough work in column 48 multiplied by 15 multiply, you get 720. Okay, minus 24 into 60 multiplied 24 multiply, you get 1440. Okay, now see, we will simplify this now. U upon minus 12 equal to minus v upon 9, right? 1 upon minus 720 subtraction. Okay, now we will compare this u equal to constant and v term equal to constant. Minus u upon 12 equal to 1 upon see, minus u upon 12 equal to this minus 1 upon 720. Therefore minus plus. So u upon 12 equal to 1 upon 720. So 12 will come this side. So 12 6 up 72. So 1 upon 60. Got it? Now see, we got 1 upon 60 and we know u equal to 1 upon x. So 1 upon x equal to 1 upon 60. Got it? Therefore x equal to 60 km/h. Now we'll equate term of v. Minus v upon u 9 equal to minus 1 upon 720. Minus plus. So 9 comes this side. So 9 8 is a 72. So 1 upon 80. So 1 upon y equal to 1 upon 80. So y equal to 80 km/h. Did you understand this, children? Please, in cross multiplication, don't forget to write all terms on left hand side. Otherwise, your calculation will be wrong. Okay, very good. Now we will take second type of example, that is examples based on the numbers, right, in next video.